You are welcome to yet another edition of Weekly Rundown. Fasten your seatbelt as we explore the beautiful world of entertainment in the week in focus. Although Nigerians on social media kicked against the BB Titans due to its proximity to the February elections, but trust Nigerians, now they can't help themselves when it comes to reality television. The housemates in this year's BB Titans are not short of content, as they keep dropping bangers every day. Juicy J said the big ruling when he was caught on camera fondling Jenny Ho's breast judiciously. Let's hope it is consensual, sha. While other housemates were busy enjoying themselves, others regularly turned the house into an MMA arena. Two Nigerian housemates, Sandra and Olivia, nearly came to blows as they engaged themselves in a shouting competition, Brotherhood in the mud. The housemates were barely settled in when Biggie decided to place 8 of them of the Titans up for eviction. The pair includes Juicy J, Oliver, Viola, Justin and Sandra and Theodore, Yemi Craigs and Elisa. It's still early days, but their fate lies in the hands of their fans. After a very good run in the first few days, Biggie decided to place the responsibility of leadership on the shoulders of Black Boy Penleng as the new head of house. Let's hope the fine boy leads the house by example. The love train in the BB Titan house is taking a new form as former lovers are letting go of old ways, while new lovers are emerging from the shadows. In a viral video, Kosi was seen appreciating Yemi for flirting with Blue Ivy. In what happens to be the biggest highlight of the week, the BB Titans house was brought to life with the video of Luke and Ipeleng having sex in the toilet. Well, that is our weekly rundown for this week. Do endeavor to check out our previous edition and stay tuned till next week.